Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So Solana went below our green support books. Are we still bullish? So what is my next trade? I will discuss that and much more in this video. But first, make sure to like the video. Let's dive into the content. This is the 1 hourly time frame for Solana. And in yesterday's update, we spoke about this green support box, which was strong support for Solana, and we went below it. So technically speaking, my trading idea has changed a little bit. So I will remove this box from the chart because my previous idea was that we moved up impulsively for Solana in a wave 1, wave 2, 3, and that we would come down in a wave 4 into my green support box. But we already went below the wave 1 high. So this trading idea got invalidated. This is no longer possible. What I'm thinking right now is actually more bullish. That is that this was a wave 1 to the upside. This was a wave 2. And this was also all a wave 1 and a wave 2 setup. So that's actually more bullish. Let me tell you what I mean. So the support right now to hold for Solana is actually very important. It's currently located in between. Let me actually give you the correct targets here. 21. Yeah, the support for Solana is located in between 21.46 all the way down. I would say all the way down towards 20.63. So this is the new support box for Solana currently. You can also see that we are forming some kind of a bearish flag here, which normally would break down to the downside. Of course, no guarantees, guys. I could be completely wrong. This is just the probabilities I see in the chart. So currently I see this as a wave 1 to the upside. It could be an ABC move. In that case, we will form a lower load. That's why you always need to use stop losses. But I currently see this in confluence with the Bitcoin chart as a wave 1 to the upside. We are probably coming down in a wave 2 towards my green support box. Maybe a retest of this downward sloping support line. And from there on, we will explode to the upside in a 3, 4, and 5. That's currently how I see the chart. So for those of you who didn't enter a long position yet, you are going to get probably a very nice opportunity here starting from of 21.145 all the way down towards $20. So anywhere in this region, I do expect strong support for Solana. But of course, guys, use stop losses. There's absolutely no guarantees that this trade setup will play out. So let me actually check everything here. So yeah, this report is located in this box. And if you are opening a position there, which you could do, let's say you were opening your position at 21.50, you could set your stop loss at, let's say 19.19, 19.50. That should be good. And your first take profit for Solana could be around the $24 region. That's already 13% move. Second take profit for Solana could be around, let's say 2020, 650, about a 23% move. And eventually my take profit would be around $30 because I think we are going to go towards $30, which is a 40% move towards the upside. If you're using, let's say a 3x leverage, that's about more than a 100% gain. So that's absolutely amazing here. So you could trade this on Bitcoin. Of course, make sure to use my link in the description. Of course, guys, no guarantee that the trade will play out. That's why we are using stop losses. This trading idea will get invalidated if we drop below 19.67. So just be aware of that. I will update all of these charts on my Twitter page. Let's take a look at the indicators here on the 4 hourly time frame. So currently the momentum is pushing to the downside here. Stochastic ride, however, is already oversold and it looks like sell pressure is exiting the market. But the MACD is still trending down on the 4 hourly time frame. So I still think we have a high probability of going lower into my greens report books. I could be wrong. There could be maybe slight more upside in the shorter term, but we will probably get rejected around 23. And from there on, we will move down further. So in my opinion, very high probability of opening a train. It is boxed. That's what I am doing. I'm waiting at the moment. I'm not shorting or longing. I need to see more confirmation that a bottom has been formed here. What is also pretty interesting to see if we go to the daily time frame is that Solana moved above a very important downward sloping resistance line here, which hopefully will flip into support now. And if we zoom out even more, we can actually see her on the daily time frame that this downward sloping trend line was in play from off the swing high of April 2021. We got multiple touch points here, and it looks like right now we are going to flip this area into support. So that would be an amazing development. So that will be a very high probability. Long trade. In terms of my longer term Elliott wave count, I think the bear market low. Sorry guys, I think the bear market low was actually in at $8 reach on the 29th of December 2022. Since then, we moved up impulsively. There are different ways how you can count this. The most barriers way is that this altogether was a wave 1. We are right now coming down in wave 2. There will be a wave 3, 4, and 5. That is all a possibility. It's not my primary expectation. I think we moved up in a wave 1 to the upside, came down in wave 2. Very hard to see here. Moved up in wave 3, came down in a wave 4. And right now we are in this 5th wave to the upside, probably to that $30 region. That's the most likely probability that I see. I could be wrong, guys. The wave 1 could already be in. That's why we are using stop losses. If the wave 1 is already in, then we move down in wave A, came up in wave B, and there will be a wave C to the downside for Solana. That's all possible. Just be prepared for either scenario. But I think what is very bullish on this chart is that we broke above this trend line. We have officially broken the downtrend trend. I think the bear market is over for Solana. What is also pretty interesting is that we broke above the 0.236. Let me give this another color for you guys. We broke above the 236 Fibonacci level at 1822 here in yellow, and the next fit level is located at $30. So what I primarily expect is that we are going to test this $30 region, get rejected there, probably see a pullback towards $18 because we haven't retested it as support. And from there on, do expect further upside. That's what I do expect, guys. I could be wrong, but a $30 region is a very high level of resistance. We got supported there from October 2022 all the way down towards June 2022, also back in 2021. A lot of support on top of this level. So a lot of sell orders are set there and a lot of people are taking profits at that region. Just be aware of that on the daily time frame. Momentum is pushing to the upside here. Very good to see. RSI is currently sitting at 51. So a lot of space to grow higher in price. If we make a higher high compared to the high of 26s, if we go to $30, we will form a significant bearish divergence on the RSI. And from there on, I do expect a significant pullback. I will, of course, notify all of you guys once I'm entering a short position on Solana, but currently I'm still looking for long positions. That's my quick analysis. Please like the video, subscribe my channel. Want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next Solana update. Bye.